guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first ever sit down video and talk. Usually I do vlogs of my travels or things around New Jersey that I like to do for fun. So this is my first video that I will be doing talking to the camera, so this is very unnatural for me. And I had a public speaking class and that was the worst class I've ever had, so this is kind of like it, even though I'm talking to myself, to the camera, but it's actually going to be talking to everyone who views this. I'm sorry if this is awkward at all, but I'm trying to learn how to talk to the camera. This video, I wanted to show what I'm bringing to Disney and what I'm packing for Disney, and I really enjoy watching other people's packing videos and I like to see what outfits they're wearing or bringing. So I decided that I wanted to do that as well because my trip is now on Friday and it's Wednesday. So I have Thursday, today to pack. So we're very close to my trip. About my trip, we're flying Friday night after work, and we're flying from Newark. I live in New Jersey. We're flying at 9:45 and I believe we get in at 12:27 a.m. We're staying at a motel the night before we stay at the All-Star Sports Resort, just because it worked out with the flight schedule better and it was cheaper to fly Friday night as opposed to early Saturday morning. So, and we had to book the hotel from Saturday until Tuesday. First, I wanted to show what magic band I picked out for this trip as well. So I will get that. Okay, so the first magic band I ever bought was this, I believe it was the Millennial Pink. And I got this in 2018 when I went in March with my boyfriend Chris. This was the other free magic band, the red one, that I got for my May trip with my best friend Alex. And the color that I picked this trip is yellow. I just picked the basic yellow because it was free and I thought it would go with some of my outfits that I have planned. And that's what I have for my magic bands, and I'm bringing all three because I'm annoying like that. With that being said, let's get into this video. Well, so this is going to be my first shirt for Saturday and at Epcot. It says, "You can call me Flower if you want to," and I think it's so cute. And I got this from an Etsy shop, or no, it wasn't an Etsy shop, it was a small shop that I saw on Instagram, and I will leave that info at the bottom because I bought two shirts from them. But I got this in the Heather Prism blue color, yeah, I think so. But it's really cute and it's perfect for Epcot during Flower and Garden Festival, and it has really cute funky colors and font, and I love that. So also, if you know what this quote is from, please tell me in the description, because I feel like if you're not a true Disney movie watcher, you won't know, so I would like to see who knows what the quote is from. So with this shirt, I have that paired with these shorts. I got these shorts from Target and they're really soft. They have that jean look material, but they're I don't know, cloth, flowy, and they're also kind of high-waisted and stretchy bands, so they're very comfy and flowy to wear when you're walking around. And so this is the day where it's going to be 66 degrees, so I also got this sweater to pair with it. It's this cute peachy sparkly fuzzy sweater, and it's so soft, and I think it just goes really nice with this all together. So I think I will be wearing leggings with that, so I don't think I'll be wearing these shorts, but I'm going to bring them just in case. And with that whole outfit, I'll be wearing these like white iridescent ears. Sorry, they're backwards. I got these from an Etsy shop and these from an Etsy shop, so they were the same. I will also leave that into the description because they're actually really comfy, and I wish I ordered more before I left, but I think I couldn't get them in time and I waited too long to order them, so I just didn't want to risk it. So I have these 2 ears from that shop. I'm going to probably be wearing just like plain black leggings that I got from Walmart like a year ago or something, but they're comfy, so I'll be wearing that for my Epcot outfit. My next outfit is my Magic Kingdom outfit, so that's also another day where it's not going to be like hot, like Florida hot. So that I'm going to wear this shirt, this like really cute black and gray striped Mickey shirt that I got from Primark, and I will be wearing it with these ears because they match perfectly and they have like little cute cherries on them. I will also be bringing a pair of shorts. I have these like bright, oh wow, they look very bright on the camera, but they're not that bright in person. So I'll be wearing these shorts. I got these from Forever 21 to go with this. And this I think I said it was from Primark. And then, since it's going to be cooler, I'll probably be starting the day off with wearing, I have this like black jean jacket. I got this from Target a while ago on clearance. It is honestly the best to wait until things go on clearance at Target because they're just so much more discounted. I think I got this jacket for like $9 and I wasn't even looking for anything, but I was like, I think I need that because I can use it sometime, whatever. So I'll be wearing this with this, and I think I'll be starting the day off with wearing my black leggings. So I mean, it all comes together. Doing a little black red little number here. This is the other shirt that I got from the Etsy shop that came with the flower and garden shirt, and I'm obsessed with this shirt and I'm really excited to wear it for I'm really excited to wear this for Hollywood Studios and Galaxy's Edge specifically. So this is the shirt that I got. It is so cute. I love it so much. And I love that it says got blue milk because they have blue milk there. I don't know. I love Baby Yoda. He's the best. He's so cute. So I'm really excited to be wearing this. So I'll be wearing this shirt on this day and it won't be that cold. So I think I'll be okay with just that. And I also have these ears that I'll be wearing them with. And then I also have the same jean shorts but in like this gray. They're a little wrinkly, but they're okay when they're on. So these are also very soft too and like flowy, and they're high-waisted and they're cute when they're on. So I'll be like tucking it in a bit. And then I really love this sweatshirt and I think I'll be wearing it there to save room for my carry-on plus my personal item backpack. So I got this sweatshirt. It's just a plain black sweatshirt I got from Primark, and it's also very soft and it has Star Wars and I think it's really cute. So that's my outfit in case it gets like a little colder at night. Like I'll have this sweatshirt. I think this is going to be the only sweatshirt I'm bringing because I'm already bringing that peach cardigan plus the jean jacket. So I think I'm good with like covering up. And then on to the last day, I have my outfit for Animal Kingdom. It's nothing special, but I do have these really cute ears that my mom got me for Christmas. I think she just got them from I think Amazon or like a small shop somewhere, but she got me these ears and I'm like, oh, this is perfect for Animal Kingdom. So I'm going to be wearing those ears with this plain black kind of crop shirt with a little pocket. So I'll be wearing this and it's like flowy. with these shorts, which I need to iron. They're like those paper bag shorts. So these are also like kind of high-waisted, and I got these from Charlotte Russe before they went out of business, but now they're back in business, I believe. So I got these at a good price. They're really cute. I gotta iron this part because it got a little curled under, and the belt, there's like a little belt that you tie to like make a little cute bow. So I have this because I think they're like cute, like little safari shorts. So I'll be wearing this with the black shirt and these ears. That's what I have for the outfit specifically planned for certain days. And then I'm going to be bringing like 2 extra shirts just in case like I change my mind at all, or something happens to a shirt. So I'll have this shirt that I got from Disney last time I was there. It's this really cute yellow t-shirt that like I feel like everyone has, but I got it because I thought it was really cute and I loved it. I have this as an extra shirt, and then I have this as an extra shirt too, just in case I still have the tag. My mom got me this for Christmas too. It was also from Primark, I believe, but it has a cute little Mickey pocket, and he's like poking his head out of there. So I have this shirt for an extra shirt, and then I just have my pajamas. This is also Disney themed. I bought this on Amazon. It's like a cute little mini surfing, so I think I might either use this as an extra or like a sleeping shirt. So those are what I have planned for my outfits. And then of course I have the toiletry bag. This is where I'm putting all my toiletries, where all my travel size items will be, like all the liquid items. I got this bag from Amazon too, and I used it when I went on the cruise in November, except the only thing I have a problem with is the zipper broke off, so now they're just kind of open unless I close this. But this was actually perfect when it did not break, because you just hang it on the door like this. So I'm also going to be packing my underwear and bras, obviously, but I didn't show that, so that is going into my carry-on bag as well. Plus I'm probably gonna grab a few other like items like body spray. I'm probably gonna put a few more items into my this bag here, because I'm always like, oh, I forgot something, let me just shove it in the bag. So that's what's probably gonna happen. And I'm going to be bringing 2 pairs of shoes, so I'll be wearing a pair of sneakers, and then I'll be bringing another pair of sneakers, and I might bring another pair of sandals, so I'll show you what that looks like. This pair of Adidas NMDs, they're really cute because I love the pink color of them, and they're comfy, but you know, you have to bring like 2 different pairs because I brought this pair, and I'm also going to bring this pair. These are the Adidas Ultra Boost, which are a lot comfier than these, but sometimes it's good to bring 2 pairs in case your feet start to hurt, and then this pair will like give it a different feeling for the day. So that concludes my packing video. I hope you guys like seeing my outfits as much as I like seeing other people's outfits, and I hope they give you ideas for outfits for Disney too. And I am leaving in 2 days, and I'm so excited. So I think this video might be posted after my trip, and then vlogs to follow. Keep an eye out for future videos with Disney and other stuff that I do. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Thanks guys.